Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at something unique and exciting: Punch's Energy Natural. If you're in the market for a natural energy boost that's convenient and tasty, then you're going to love this review. Let's dive right in. Let's start with an unboxing. Here's the Punch's Energy Natural package. It's small, compact, and perfect for on-the-go energy. The packaging highlights that these are natural energy gummies made with real fruit and green coffee caffeine. Inside, we've got these cute little gummies. They are bite-sized, making it easy to control your energy intake throughout the day. Now, let's talk about what's inside. Punched Energy Natural prides itself on being free of artificial ingredients and added sugars. The energy comes from green coffee beans, which provide a clean source of caffeine without the jitters. Plus, they are made with real fruit, including strawberries and raspberries, which not only add natural sweetness but also some vitamins and antioxidants. Now, on to the fun part: taste testing. I've got two flavors here, strawberry and raspberry. Let's start with strawberry. That's really delicious. It tastes like real strawberries with a slight tang, and there's no artificial aftertaste. Next, we have raspberry. Raspberry is equally delightful. It's sweet and tangy, like fresh raspberries. The texture is great, too chewy, but not too sticky. Each flavor is naturally refreshing and enjoyable. I've been using Punch's Energy Natural for the past few days, especially during my mid-afternoon slumps, and here's what I've noticed. It provides a nice, steady boost of energy without any of the jitteriness that you often get with other caffeine sources. It's perfect for a quick pick-me-up, whether I'm working at my desk, running errands, or even before a workout. Plus, it's so convenient to just pop a couple of gummies instead of brewing a coffee or grabbing an energy drink. Natural ingredients, no artificial additives, convenient and portable, provides steady energy without jitters, great taste and texture. Caffeine content might be too low for some limited flavor options currently available. Presenter, overall, it's a fantastic product, but if you're looking for a stronger caffeine hit, you might need to take more gummies or supplement it with another source of energy. So, is Punch's Energy Natural worth it? If you're looking for a convenient, tasty, and natural way to boost your energy, I'd say definitely give it a try. It's perfect for anyone who wants to avoid artificial ingredients and added sugars. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and healthy living tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay naturally energized and enjoy your day.